Josh Hansen. Josh, they can get a little louder, don't you think?
I would hope so. I'm not too far. I'm Colorado, California, so I would like the crowd to be behind me.
Well, there you hear. Let's get loud for your winner tonight, Josh Hansen. You worked hard in that race. It was an incredible race. So much going on, and it just looked like your patience paid off.
Yeah, I'm really stoked. It was definitely about being patient. I didn't get the start that I wanted to, and I started inching them, and I was just kind of waiting until the last minute if I needed to. But I really got to thank the BH Bicycle people for coming out here tonight. Thank you guys, all the Monster crew.